Installing the LTU option on a ZT411 series printer. Turn off the printer and disconnect the power cord and data cables. Connect yourself to an anti-static device. Place the printer on a grounded anti-static mat. Open the media door. Remove any media and ribbon. To remove the front panel, press on the detent buttons, then slide the panel to the side, tip it forward and release from the printer. Loosen the two mounting screws about 1/4 inch or 7 millimeters. Remove the tear plate. Open the peel roller. Insert the peel assembly over the two screws and lift up. Tighten the mounting screws. Close the peel. Slide the lower front panel tabs onto the mounting slots. Snap it into place. Remove the 4 electronics panel screws. Remove the electronics panel. Remove the control panel screws. Remove the control panel. Unlock and disconnect the ribbon cable. Mount and fasten the take label sensor. Reconnect and lock the ribbon cable. Connect the take label sensor cable. Reinstall the control panel. Reinstall the control panel screws. Reinstall the electronics panel. Reinstall the electronics panel screws. Remove the 2 screws holding the cover plate to the printer. Remove the cover plate. Remove the shipping tape and slide the take-up spindle from the shaft. Route the liner take-up cable down and under the motor and then through the notch in the mounting bracket. Tilt the motor slightly to insert the top of the liner take-up motor board into the mounting hole. Install the mounting screws. Connect the cable to the 10-pin connector. Install the cable tie through the printer tie point and around the cable. Slide the liner take-up spindle onto the shaft of the liner take-up motor. Install the E-ring. Load the media and ribbon. Reconnect the power cord and data cables. Turn on the printer. Select Menu. Select Printer. Select Label Position. Select Collection Method. Select Peel Off. Select Home. Open the peel assembly. Open the print head. Pull the media out about 12 inches or 300 millimeters. Remove the labels from the liner. Feed the liner into the peel assembly. Feed the liner into the printer. Locate the notch on the spindle. Insert the liner under the notch and around the spindle. Turn the spindle several times to secure the liner. Close the peel assembly. Close the print head. Press pause. Press feed to test.